फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 12 लेसन 3 अ पिंच ऑफ स्नफ रिटन बाय मनोहर मलगांवकर के द्वारा लिखित कहानी का हम लोग आज इंग्लिश रीडिंग करेंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट, ये हमारा चैनल बुक रीडिंग का नंबर 1 चैनल है। आपको हमारे चैनल पे क्लास 5 से लेकर 12 तक के इंग्लिश स्टोरीज और पोएम का आप हिंदी रीडिंग के द्वारा पढ़कर आप अंग्रेजी आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। इसलिए ये चैनल को आप रिकमेंडेड करें। जो विद्यार्थी अंग्रेजी नहीं जानते हैं उन्हें भी बताएं इस चैनल के बारे में। आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 28 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 28, पैरा नंबर 75। पैरा वाइज लिखा हुआ है हिंदी, आपको जो जैसे सुविधा हो उसे आप पढ़ें। वी हैड barely got talking to the मैनेजर। यहाँ पर दो बार लिखा गया है डियर स्टूडेंट, एक ही बार पढ़ेंगे। when the धोबी rushed into shop holding Nanu Kaka's old coat in one hand and brandishing the check with the other। यहाँ पर दी अदर होगा, क्योंकि वॉवेल साउंड के पहले अगर THE द आए तो उसे द न पढ़कर दी पढ़ा जाता है। ओह देयर यू आर बी painted, look what you had left in this coat of yours। पैरा नंबर 76। नानू काका held out the check at the arm's length and clucked his tongue several times। How careless of me, he said, I am always doing this sort of thing। Bearer, check 2। Anyone could have cast it here, my good man, he said to the धोबी। Here is a reward for you। There is nothing like honesty। And he gave him a 2 rupee note and a pat on the back. Para number 77. After this demonstration of wealth, it was quite easy about the car I drove, bearing my white Jodhpur coat and orange turban, and Nanu Kaka sat regally at the back, looking every inch what he was supposed to be a hereditary Pandit from a princely estate. Para number 78. We drove to the minister's house, and the servants and the secretary fussed around Nanu Kaka, who refused to state his business but merely called for the visitor's book. Para number 79. I have just come to make a formal call, he announced. I have no wish to disturb the minister. It is just a formality that we in the यहाँ पर दी होगा डियर स्टूडेंट कि वॉवेल साउंड के पहले द आता है तो उसे दी पढ़ते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले आता है तो उसे द पढ़ते हैं. दी ओल्ड प्रिंसली estates still observe this. His Highness is a great stickler for these cottages. They brought the visitors book, and I watched Nanu Kaka in admiration as he wrote his name with flourish and added he hereditary astrologer to the Maharaja of Ninor at the sorry at the end he gave his Delhi address, my address, para number 80, without another word and as though he were in a tearing hurry, he got into the car and said loudly, para number 81, take me to the Maharaja Sutkatta's palace. I have to return all those horoscopes horoscopes entrusted to me as the backwards and saw a huge dark khadar clad figure peering at us from an upper story window. Para number 82. We had just finished tea and we were trying to house break the new kitten which had just made a puddle on the floor when the car with the white triangle stopped in front of the house, and Nanu Kaka went out with folded hands to receive the welfare minister who had come to see him. Para number 83. Nanu Kaka left yesterday his mission accomplished. I never found out what it was that he wanted to see the minister about. Also, I wonder what is going to happen when the minister discover that my uncle has never seen with 100 miles of a place called Ninnor, although I am now convinced that Nanu Kaka will deal with the situation without allowing a single fold of his angocha to fall off place. Para number 84. Only when it happens I want to be somewhere far out of रेंज। पेज नंबर 28 लेसन 3 अब समाप्त हो गया। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को बताएं, क्योंकि ये बिहार बोर्ड का एकमात्र अकेला चैनल है जिसमें आपको क्लास 5 से लेकर 12 तक के इंग्लिश बुक को रीडिंग करने की सुविधा आपको मिल सकती है और अंग्रेजी बुक पढ़ना आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।